Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Revolut app. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your money, transfer funds, and make payments in a secure and convenient way. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app from the App Store and sign up for an account. First, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID and taking a selfie. This is a standard security procedure to ensure that your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Once you have signed up and verified your account, you can start using the app. The home screen of the app displays your account balance and a list of your recent transactions. You can also use the app to top up your account by linking a debit or credit card or by transferring funds from your bank account. To make a payment, you can use the Pay button on the home screen. You can enter the recipient's details or select a contact from your phone book. You can also use the app to send money to friends or family who are also Revolut users. If the recipient is not a Revolut user, you can send them a payment link that they can use to receive the funds. Revolut also allows you to exchange currencies at competitive rates. You can use the app to convert your money into different currencies and send it to recipients abroad. The app also provides real-time exchange rates so you can get the best deal. In addition to making payments and exchanging currencies, Revolut also offers a range of other features such as budgeting tools and savings accounts. You can use the app to set a budget and track your spending. And you can also open a savings account to earn interest on your money. To stay safe while using the app, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also be careful when making payments and only send money to recipients you trust. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Revolut's customer support team for assistance. Overall, the Revolut app is a convenient and secure way to manage your money and make payments. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your money.